Imagine a world acting like a flawless cosmic mirror. A frozen sphere reflecting an impossible 90% of the sun's light back into the black void. It is the single most reflective object in our entire solar system. But what it's hiding underneath the ice? What you're about to see changes everything. Welcome to Saturn's moon, Enceladus. By all known laws of physics, this tiny, 313-mile-wide rock should be a dead, frozen wasteland. Its surface is a bone-chilling -330 degrees Fahrenheit. Yet, it is violently firing towering jets of boiling water straight into space at 800 miles per hour. Scientists around the world are currently divided. Is this a bizarre geological glitch, or are we looking at the exhaust pipe of an alien ecosystem? To understand why this is so baffling, we have to look at standard space physics. Most moons and planets absorb light. Our own moon only reflects about 12% of the sunlight that hits it. Up close, it is actually the color of dark asphalt. Enceladus reflects 90%. It is blanketed in fresh, blindingly white, powder like snow. This creates a feedback loop of extreme, freezing cold. But this is where things get strange. If it's so incredibly cold that the ice is essentially rock-hard, where is the massive heat coming from to generate liquid water? Stay with me here, because the answer defies logic. What I'm about to reveal next is exactly why so many people are joining the Deep Space Secrets community every single day. If you want to uncover the universe's greatest mysteries with us, hit that follow and subscribe button right now. Because the truth hiding inside Enceladus. This affects how we see our place in the universe. Let's rewind to 2005. The Cassini spacecraft is orbiting Saturn, sending back routine data. Suddenly, its magnetometer registers an invisible anomaly near Enceladus's south pole. The magnetic field is bending. NASA scientists are baffled. They redirect Cassini for a closer look, and on July 14, they capture the impossible. Enormous, glowing plumes erupting from deep surface fissures known as tiger stripes. NASA did the unthinkable. They flew Cassini directly through these plumes at thousands of miles an hour. And what its instruments tasted set off alarm bells across the scientific world. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this completely rewrites the hunt for alien life. Cassini revealed that beneath its blindingly white, frozen crust, Enceladus is hiding a massive, global ocean of liquid saltwater. As Saturn's massive gravity pulls and stretches the tiny moon, a process called tidal heating creates immense friction deep in its core. This boils the hidden ocean from the bottom up, blasting water vapor into space. And that vapor? It freezes and falls right back down like fresh, pristine snow. That is the secret to its 90% reflectivity. Enceladus is constantly resurfacing itself. But here is where it gets crazy. Just when you thought you understood this frozen mirror, the data threw another curveball. Deep in that pitch-black alien ocean, scientists found traces of something terrifyingly familiar. Complex organic molecules. Methane. Silica. The exact same chemical cocktail found at the bottom of Earth's oceans, deep within our hydrothermal vents. On Earth, those vents are swarming with strange, alien-looking lifeforms that don't need sunlight to survive. Some astrobiologists now firmly argue that Enceladus isn't just a watery moon, it is an active biological incubator. I genuinely want to know what you think. Look at the evidence. Liquid water, organic chemicals, a massive heat source. Are we looking at a dead ocean filled with just chemical reactions? Or do you think there are actual, living organisms swimming in the pitch-black depths of Enceladus right now? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below. I'll be reading them. Let's debate this. Because if life can start in the freezing, lightless depths of Saturn's orbit, it means life isn't a rare miracle. It's a cosmic inevitability. The implications here are staggering. Just recently, the James Webb Space Telescope turned its golden mirrors toward Enceladus and mapped a water plume spanning an unbelievable 6,000 miles long. That's enough water to fill an Olympic swimming pool every couple of hours, just blasting into the void. This water actually creates one of Saturn's rings, the E-ring. Think about that for a second. A tiny moon is actively painting its host planet's rings with the building blocks of life. If we find even a single microbe in that ice, it proves the genesis of life doesn't require a cozy, sunlit Earth. It means every frozen moon in the galaxy could be a hidden sanctuary. But we aren't stopping at just taking pictures. The scientific community is actively designing the next phase of exploration. NASA is currently developing the Enceladus Orbilander, a mission designed to orbit the moon, fly through those plumes, and then actually land on the surface to taste the snow. There are even blueprints for a robotic snake, the EELS system, designed to slither down into those boiling tiger-stripe crevices and swim directly into the hidden ocean. The answers are coming. Science is progressing at a breakneck speed, and we are quite literally on the verge of knowing, once and for all, if we are alone in the dark. Until then, Enceladus remains our perfect, blinding cosmic mirror. A tiny, frozen jewel hanging in the deep black of space, guarding a secret that has been waiting billions of years to be uncovered. Every time you look up at the night sky, remember that the most profound discoveries aren't always found in the heat of a star, but in the freezing, silent dark. But this isn't the only impossible mystery hiding in our solar system. What if I told you there's another moon, out by Jupiter, that emits massive amounts of lethal radiation? Or a rogue planet drifting without a star, harboring a similar dark ocean? We are covering all of this in our upcoming deep dives, and you do not want to miss what we've uncovered. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the unknown. Your support is making this channel explode, and we are incredibly grateful to have you on board. Remember, the universe is full of secrets, and we're just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up.